Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of one of our retired demo service vehicles, the 2019 Chevy Impala LS. This vehicle only has 2,705 miles on it and is being sold as new with warranty. All Apple Chevrolet customers will receive over $1,200 in savings for the month of September on this specific vehicle. This front-wheel drive Impala comes with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine and 18-inch custom steel wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have a gray interior, half leather, half cloth with a white lining. Now, when it comes to the front of this vehicle, we do have our Chevy MyLink radio, our push to talk, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.